dhuit. Please let me introduce myself. Ligdom mé fhéin a chur in aithne. Ligdom mé fhéin a chur in aithne. My name is Peader. Peader is ainm dom. Peader is ainm dom. Hi, my name is Seán. Hi, Seán is ainm dom. Hi, Seán is ainm dom. It's a pleasure to meet you. Tá sé deas, bualadh. Tá sé deas, bualadh. How are you? Conas tánn. Conas tánn. I'm fine, and you? Tá me breá, agus tú féin. Tá me breá, agus tú féin. Good, thank you. Guma, agat. Guma, agat. I'm from Dublin. Is as Baile Atha Cliath domsa. Is as Baile Atha Cliath domsa. I'm from Donegal. Is as nGall dom. Is as nGall dom. You're from Kerry. Whereabouts? Is as Ciarraí. Kenait. Is as Ciarraí. Kenait. Kerry is a beautiful place. Tá Ciarraí go hálainn. Tá Ciarraí go hálainn. Now, listen to these phrases again. Hello, please let me introduce myself. My name is Seán. It's a pleasure to meet you. I'm from Dublin. Are you from Kerry? Kerry is a beautiful place. Dhuit, ligdom mé fhéin a chur in aithne. Seán is ainm dom. Tá sé deas bualadh. Is as Baile Atha Cliath dom. An as Ciarraí. Tá Ciarraí go hálainn. Now, listen and then repeat these phrases around leave-taking. Well, nice to meet you. Well, deas bualadh. Well, deas bualadh. Goodbye. Slán. Slán.